mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. June 23, karera sa araw ng linggo. Sa araw na ito, linggo, gaganapin ang 2024 Araw ng Maynila Racing Festival 2024 Philracom Grand Copa de Manila Cup. May 12 races, marami kaysa sa pangkaraniwan ang ating matutunghayan ngayong araw ng linggo. Sa 12, dalawa ang stake race at yung 10 ay pawang mga trophy race. Bago ang ating mga cool choices, sana po manalo kayo. Sana manalo po tayo. God bless to all. Race number 1. Ito na yung pinakatampok na karera inilagay sa race 1. Grand Copa de Manila Cup in honor of Manila Mayor Hani Lacuna Pangan. Only choice number 4, Jaguar. Race 2, Honorable Ernesto Junicio Jr. Trophy Race. First choice, number 9, Special Officer. Second choice, number 4, Isla, Puting Bato. Third choice, couple entry, 5, Papa O Mamaw, 5A, Distant Thunder. Bago tayo magpatuloy, sa akin lang po ito, assessment ko, palagay ko, sa araw na ito ng linggo, marami o mayroong mga mananalong matagal nang hindi nananalo. At ang 12 races ay pawang napakaganda ng mga lineup, balance ang handicapping. Race 3, Honorable Joel Chua Trophy Race. First choice, number 9, Maria's Legacy. Second choice, number 6, My Star. Third choice, number 4, Octubre 14. Race 4, Honorable William Irwin Tieng Trophy Race. First choice, number 3, Spaghetti Pababa. Second choice, couple entry, 4, One of a Kind, for a Guest of Honor. Race 5, Honorable Vice Mayor Yul Serbo Nieto. Only choice, number 2, Tipusi. Race 6. Ito na yung pangalawang stake race, araw ng Maynila Grand Copa de Manila Division 2 in honor of former Mayor Isko Moreno. First choice, number 1, early voting. Second choice, number 9, cluster. Third choice, number 4, eye in the sky. Race 7, Honorable Roland Valeriano Trophy Race. First choice, number 8, Elegant Lady. Wala palang number 9 ng race na ito. Number 7, second choice, Pool Combat Order. Race 8, Honorable Edward Maceda Trophy Race. First choice, number 3, Senshi Spirit. Second choice, couple entry, 6, Winner Parade, 6A, Flattering You. Race 9, Honorable Bienvenido Abante Trophy Race. First choice, subukan natin uli. Number 5, Sundance. Second choice, number 9, Family Affair. Race 10, Honorable Jong Isip Trophy Race. First choice, yung mabilis. Number 4, Star of Lucena. Second choice, number 7, Time for Music. Race 11, race na may pentapekta. Honorable Leilani Marie Lacuna Trophy Race. First choice, number 8, Dennis Sun. Second choice, number 4, I Tell You. Third choice, number 5, Static. Race 12, last race. Race na may Super 6. Manila Public Recreations Bureau Trophy Race. First choice, number 7, Solomo Eni. Second choice, Copolen 3, 1, Matikas, 1A, Jubilum. Third choice, number 6, Bukawe, Rivertown. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana sumama tayo. Thank you!